It's important to feed the narrative of American exceptionalism. To say that a few scattered bands of roaming nomads in the wilderness meant that those people weren't really using the land, and there was room for everybody who came. But the reality is, there wasn't room. And everyone else who came necessarily displaced the people who were already here. There's no way to understand European settlement, the birth of the American nation, without understanding that what was this beautiful Genesis, land of the free, home of the brave, opportunity for so many poor, disenfranchised Europeans was at the same time necessarily a genocide, a land theft, and a taking from native people. They're two sides of the same coin, and America has always struggled to look at both sides.